back to The Blend. You know, hitting 65 can be an exciting, but frankly, confusing time. We've all heard about Medicare, but once you become Medicare eligible, you need to know what the heck you're going to do to make sure you're covered.
Oh my goodness, yes. Here with advice that will dispel many of your Medicare mysteries is David Carroll with the David Carroll Group, along with Tommy Davis from Health South Hospitals. Gentlemen, welcome to you both.
Hi, gentlemen.
Good day to you today, and I wanted to just mention it's great to be back. I was here last October with a brief segment, but today we're really here to talk about the Medicare workshops that I do in the Valley and going to be doing them with Health South on an ongoing basis. Very important to understand that these workshops now are going to be ongoing. Every Saturday starting in February, we're going to be at a Health South location in the morning from 10:30 to 12 doing a presentation. What's important about the presentations is that it's actually Medicare's slideshow. It comes directly from Medicare, and people are going to get handouts directly from Medicare. They're going to learn about Medicare supplements. They're going to learn about Medicare Advantage plans. All about that in an hour and a half. They're going to leave, and this is the last time. The crash course. They're going to leave, and they're still going to be confused. That's exactly why we decided to do them ongoing. So that people could come back.
Brush up.
So I'd like to introduce my associate here today who's going to be our major partner in that, and that's Health South. And let Tommy Davis from Health South talk a bit about Health South and why they're interested in working with me on this.
Tommy, the floor is yours.
Well, we thought it was a perfect opportunity to partner with the community. Since we have 3 hospitals located around the Valley, we wanted to team up with someone that's talking about Medicare and how it relates to our patients, because most of our patients are Medicare patients. And we want to help people learn and get educated on Medicare. One of our big campaigns coming up is Voice Your Choice. And how you can voice your choice is to learn about your insurance coverage and then decide what's best for you. And we thought that'd be a perfect opportunity to team with Dave, provide locations so they could tour and see our hospital, and then help out where we could help out.
The one thing that I think a lot of people might mischaracterize, they're like, all right, I'm going to go to this event. What are you trying to sell me? We all see those infomercials where, they're like, hey, we're going to show you how to flip homes and all that stuff, and then they try to sell you at the end. What are you selling?
We're not selling anything.
Nothing.
That's the most important part. So the presentation that's given is directly from the federal government. The federal it's lengthy, unfortunately. 99 slides.
You mean the government can't do anything quick? Amazing.
I think we just saw that.
But I have been able to actually make it kind of easy to understand by embedding videos from the government too in there. And so rather than spend a lot of time talking about the topic, as my mom used to say, you love to hear your voice, don't you, David? So I'm like, no, we'll put that aside for a second and let's watch this video from Medicare. But the bottom line is, this is all from Medicare, so people are getting specifically the answers and everything from Medicare. And they bring up a lot. I just did one on Saturday at Las Ventanas. I'll put their name out there just for a second. And the questions people asked were like, wow, we didn't understand this or that. So it's important when people come to these workshops, not only do they learn, but they get good interaction from the people that are there that might bring up questions that they never even thought about. Rather than just going on the internet or going to a presentation that might be geared where people want to enroll you at the time.
Of course.
Sure. Well, and you were mentioning a lot of people just ask their friend or their neighbor, what are you doing? And they use that as their source. So you really want to get the word out.
So getting the word out is really important, and that's where we're working with Health South. I think what we found, because I've been doing these since 2008, was the real key to success in this, to helping the community, is to make it easily available and accessible. And that's where we've been able to actually bridge that gap now by being able to offer these on every Saturday all around the Valley. So you can come listen and learn, you can leave confused, come back another time, get a little more confused, and finally, maybe after the third time, you get it.
And we can stop by. There are a lot of Health South locations where these are taking place as well.
And they're all listed on the brochure.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Gentlemen, it's great having you. Thank you so much.
One quick comment. People can find out everything we need to know on my website at MedicareInLasVegas.com, a listing of all the places where these are at and the times and any other information they want to find out.
And they're not trying to sell you anything. How nice is that?
That comment from your mom, you told us a lot about yourself, David.
Thanks so much.
Great having you, gentlemen. If you're becoming Medicare eligible, get Medicare Intelligent with the help of David Carroll Group and Health South Hospitals. You can learn more about Medicare 101. Visit the website or call the number on the screen. The David Carroll Group is a proud sponsor of the Morning Blend. We'll be back.